Welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly. If you're new here, I've lost over 100 pounds with diet and exercise. I focus on protein, fiber, healthy eating, real foods, and not restricting myself. As a mom on a weight loss journey who's already lost 100 pounds, this is everything I prepped for myself to eat while my girls are at school. I have breakfast, a couple of lunch options, and even a sweet treat. Let me show you everything I made. Turkey sausage, a couple scrambled eggs, and then I roasted some cauliflower and bell pepper. Roasted cauliflower. Bell pepper, turkey sausage. This has 90 calories for 3 wings. Eggs. For lunches, I made high protein Italian pasta salad. Chickpea pasta. It tastes just like regular pasta, but it has more protein, more fiber, and less carbs. English cucumber. Cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, turkey pepperoni, artichoke hearts in brine. For an entire can, it's 70 calories versus artichoke hearts marinated in oil, which is going to be 300 calories for the entire jar. Black olives for some healthy fat, feta, oil, salt, and pepper. Mediterranean smashed tacos, ground turkey or ground chicken, whatever you prefer is just fine. Salt and pepper, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, low-carb tortillas. I like these from Extreme Wellness. Feta, red onion, English cucumber, red bell pepper, For a sweet treat, I made blackberry lemonade cheesecake, and the crust is made from dates and crushed pecans, or pecans. Medjool date. Cream cheese. You can use lightened up cream cheese to lower the calories and the fat, but my store was out, so I'm just using regular Philly cream cheese. Non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Manuka honey, but you can use regular honey too. They both have the same calorie content. Lemonade protein powder. Frozen berries. These are incredible. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment what you need the most help with when it comes to your meal prep.